look at the world with open eyes. He won't come back, he's running wild. Hard to get to know, he's one of a kind. Rather quiet most of the time. For everyone it's plain to see, he's a crazy bird. Whoa, could they've known behind the scenes? He took the trouble to look properly at things surrounding you and me. He's exactly the one he wants to be, and among us all he's the one who'll never fall. Running wild, he won't come back, he's had enough. Running wild, he's left us all behind. Oh yes. If you wanna know how the story goes, with nothing to lose, you win, I suppose. He hasn't lost his mind, he seems quite fine. He's lost his ground but hasn't fallen down. No, for everyone it's fine to call him a crazy bird. Whoa, could they've known behind the walls? He knows he can choose to do anything. It's never too late to begin. One road leads into the past, a million roads are lying ahead of us.